Hey guys, R4GE here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix clone failed error 0 on Macrium Reflect. Now this fix isn't guaranteed to work for everything, but it should work in most cases. So what we need to do is we need to fix the file system and partitions on the hard drive. So to do that we need to first find out whatever the drive letter is for the drive. Now since I've done this, scan mine has changed, but to find out the drive letter I will just close this, and then I will come to start and I will search for disk part, and we will open up the create and format hard disk partitions. So as you can see, my drive is letter F. So now we know what drive letter as is, we now need to come to start and we need to type cmd. Then I will just run cmd as administrator, and then I'm going to type chkdsk and then space, and then your drive letter, so for me that is F, then colon, then space, then /F, space, /R, space, /X. So the /F should attempt to fix any errors while scanning the hard drive, /R should attempt to repair any bad sectors, and X should disconnect a drive if it needs to be, and if it doesn't then it's fine. So now if we press enter, it will then start fixing the hard drive. Right, so now the scan is finished. If we try and clone the drive again, and there we go, the clone is now finished. So as you can see, we now have this hard drive cloned onto the smaller drive. Now if you want to know how to clone onto a smaller drive, there will be a link to a video in the description. But guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.